Moto, loggy. It's about 7:30 in the morning, and I'm coming into the little town of St. Augustine, headed towards English City. And I don't know if you can hear me or not. If you can, I'll do music over. But yeah, we're going to English City today. Do some visiting over Drake Hotel. Shout out. And Poppy's is a bar and chill. We're going to visit them for a little while. Going down to Tequila Reef, maybe. Do a little bit there. I don't know, guys. I haven't got no set plan. I'm just going to ride and glide. Just do it as I can. That's what I'm doing right now. Riding and gliding. Traffic's not too bad right now, but it comes and goes down these back. This is St. Augustine outside of Santa Ana. It's one of the barangay at Santa Ana, St. Augustine. People are always in a hurry to go somewhere, but there shouldn't be that big a hurry. These little barangay right here all have school, slow down traffic a little bit at this time of morning, but that's okay too. Big trucks coming through these little barangay. They take up a lot of the road and they slow the car traffic down big time. So you gotta be careful. You gotta watch your mirrors too. You don't watch your mirrors, you get run over by another bike. These guys are in a race to get somewhere. You know, what you should do is just take your time. You're not going to get there about 2 or 3 minutes ahead of me. Unless you're late for work or something, I don't see the reason. Now, I'll pass the trike like this and go on it if traffic thins out. But I'll just stay back here until it does. Get out of the town of St. Augustine. It'll thin out a little bit before we get to Santiago. I'm fairly sure it's the next town is Santiago, or vice versa. I'll tell you when I get there. Yeah. Sometimes, because I usually take the car and go this guy's, he just passed me, but what'll happen is we'll get out of the town of Santiago and he'll slow down. Just take it easy out through there. There's no reason for this old man to get in front of me. He got no reason whatsoever. He's not going to go fast. When we get out here and the traffic goes, he's going to slow down. And he's on the old beater scooters. I ain't never rode too many of them anyway. I like changing my gears. I like having the full control of everything on a motorcycle. I don't mind pushing the foot, pushing the clutch. Now if it's a long ride, it'll get old, you know. If it's lots of traffic in little towns up here in the Philippines. But usually, when I go, it's real early in the morning and there ain't a lot of traffic. This is school traffic, what they call school traffic right here. So I got a little late start, no biggie. No biggie. We get through it. This guy will pass this little corner. He's got on, he'll pass this little electric e-trike, whatever you call them. They're so slow. But if you look out in front of them, a little ways, there's traffic everywhere anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I can pass her easy without any problem. Yeah, these little e-trikes, man, they are smooth. That's what I got against the e-trikes. So Brian was talking about them earlier. I know y'all can hear the wind whistling through my helmet visor because I don't very fast. They cause traffic problems. And somebody will get hurt on them eventually because of that. Traffic problem. Because you get past them. Anyway, get up here with vehicles. The old man's still going pretty good up there. He's done fast enough. They got past that motorcycle, little Honda, and we're moving on. They got something to do. Yeah, this is 401 in Santiago. Another Bronco in Santa Ana. But at the end of this road, or when this road is intersection, I'll be in Magalong province, Magalong Township, and Magalong will take me straight into Marquee side of English City. If you know what I'm talking about by Marquee Mall. And then right down from there, go to Balibago. And Balibago will be where I want to be at. Because I want to visit some people, see some things, do a little video, have a little fun. So I'm going to cut it off with that, and I'm going to let you guys not have to take the whole trip out through. Hey, the whole trip out through here. You know that I was vlogging. I know that guy from Santa Ana. Now we're only about 3 kilometers outside of Santa Ana. Leave it on until we get past the farmland, then I'll get back with you in English City. Because once I get in English City, you're not going to be able to hear me anyway. That's how it's going to be. Yeah, I'm gonna just stick with it to the wrong guy. To the next Bronco. Well, I think it's part of Santiago. I'm not really sure. I think there's a little town. There's a little Bronco sign down here that says, "Thank you for being in Santiago." Thank you. Santiago. We will see. We will see. That guy's got his helmet because he must be going to. All those guys just got helmets. Must be going out of town to Angles or Magalong, where you got to wear a helmet. Or once you leave your Bronco, you're supposed to wear a helmet. But if you're just putting around in your Bronco, they don't require it. Nobody says anything to you. Still against the law. Anyway, got a little traffic here from the school. Nice little Honda there, that kid, that 165. The Yamahas make them thicker, heftier. That's what mine is, much thick and hefty. But Honda's good product. They're fixing the road here at least. Tore it up, now they're going to put it back up. Show for you. town down. When I get to the intersection, it will be, I'm not gonna stop and turn the camera that way, but when I get to the intersection about another couple kilometers down, turn left, I'll be turning away from the riot, headed towards Angeles. Shoot, I might as well just leave it on the whole way. Let you know how far from a riot to Angeles it is. When I come back, I'll get a shot of a riot coming from the Magalanga Riot Road. Now we're in San Pablo. Well, this is the last one we gotta go through. San Pablo. We went to San Agustin, Santiago, and now San Pablo. San Pablo, most of the farmland being farmland. Forgot about San Pablo. San Pablo's blind. San Pablo. We are in San Pablo. I hope you guys are enjoying this back road trip to Angeles City. Sometimes the road gets so rough you better slow way down or you ain't gonna make it through it. Just bust a tire. Anyway, heading on out this way to the farmland. Hope you guys enjoyed the trip. Hey, you know what? I know this is gonna be probably one a part of 2 or 3, so I'll go ahead and say it. Please like, subscribe, and come back. Ring the bell. You get notified of my other videos like this. Moto vlogs and just walkie-talkie vlogs. I got several different types. I do a language lesson in the car. We do the Naked in the Bed series. Go check them out on my playlist. I got a Philippines only playlist that shows anything I'm doing in the Philippines. I got all my content playlist. You guys need to check that out. Anyway, I'm in San Pablo, and at the end of this town, I'm starting to farmland. Actually, behind all these houses and behind all these little stores and this and that is farmland. Behind these churches. There's the church, the cities everywhere. They're built exactly the same way. Iglesia ni Cristo. Iglesia ni Cristo. They're pretty strict church. They don't eat certain things. They don't wear certain things. They're really cultish to me. Seems like they're cultish. Anyhow, so on to English City. You guys have a great day. And I'll get you on the flip-flop. How about that? Get you on the flip-flop. Or I'll hit you with a flip-flop.